Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Wishing you all a very good morning. I hope you all are great by the grace of Allah. It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to you all. Your presence through comments makes me very happy. I hope you all are enjoying e-learning. As you all know, I'm your maths teacher Sadia Ahad. Alright, my dear students, today in lecture number 15, you will learn or be reinforcement of properties of numbers and DMAS and BODMAS. Alright, my dear students, please note that three major properties are used in the mathematical or arithmetic operations. Number one is commutative laws, second is associative laws, and third law is distributive laws. Now, what is commutative law of addition and multiplication? What is commutative laws? It states that the commutative law of addition and multiplication is that the result remains the same even if we change the order of the numbers. Here are the example of commutative law of addition and multiplication. In first example, we discuss commutative law of addition. In commutative law of addition, let A and B any two numbers. Hence, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now we let A to be 4 and B to be 3. Now put these numbers in the given property. Then the answer will remain unchanged even if the position of the numbers is changed. As per this property, commutative law of multiplication, if A and B are any two numbers, then A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. Now, if we consider A as 5 and B as 6, and put these numbers in the given property, so when we multiply two numbers, the answer we will get after multiplication will remain the same even if the position of the numbers are interchanged. According to the associative law of numbers over addition and multiplication states that when we add or multiply the numbers by grouping them differently, the result will be the same. Now look at the examples of associative law of addition and multiplication. Here we have associative law of addition. Let A, B and C to be three numbers. Then A plus B, open bracket, B plus C, now close bracket, is equal to A plus B in the bracket, then plus C. Now let A to be 5, B to be 2 and C to be 4. Now put these numbers in the given property, so the placement of the brackets doesn't matter when it comes to adding the numbers, because the result will be remain the same. Here is the example of associative law of multiplication. Let's assume that A, B and C are three numbers. Then A multiply in bracket B multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by B in the bracket, then multiply C. Now let A to be 5, B to be 2, C to be 4. Now put these numbers in the given property. The placement of brackets doesn't matter. When it comes to multiplying the number, the result will be the same. And we get 40 in the answer. Here is the last law, that is distributive law. In this, if A, B and C are three numbers, then multiplication over addition property is A multiplied by B, B plus C in bracket is equal to A multiplied by B in bracket, then place plus sign, then A multiplied by C in bracket is equal to AB plus AC. And multiplication over subtraction is A multiplied by B minus C in bracket is equal to A multiplied by B in bracket, then place minus sign, then A multiplied by C in bracket is equal to AB minus AC. Consider the following example in distributive law. First, we discuss multiplication over addition example. Suppose we have three numbers, A as 3, B as 4, C as 5. Now put these numbers in the multiplication over addition property. It states that multiplying a sum by a number gives the same result as multiplying each addend by the value or adding the products, that as shown below we get the same answers in both sides. Consider the other example of distributive law, multiplication over subtraction. Suppose we have three numbers, A is 4, B is 9, C is 5. Put these three numbers in the multiplication over subtraction property. It states that you can first subtract the number and then multiply, or you can multiply and then subtract as shown below. It gives the same result. I repeat, if you first subtract the number and then multiply, or you can multiply the brackets first and then subtract as shown below, it gives the same result. First of all, I will tell you what is DMAS rule. When a problem involves all the operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, then there is an agreed formula denoted by DMAS which mathematicians follow. In DMAS, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtractions. DMAS represents the order of operations. So, my dear students, this rule or convention makes it simpler for us to solve such problems. We call it the simplification rule. Here we have some examples using the DMAS rule. In first example, we have 4 multiply 27 divided by 3 plus 49. Here we have three operations. So according to DMAS rule, first we will do division. If we divide 27 by 3, we will get 9. Then we will do multiplication. 4 multiplied by 9, we will get 36. Lastly, we will add 36 plus 49, we will get 85. In other example, in the simplification sum, we have all 4 operations. So it's very easy to carry out the 4 operations. We will use DMAS rule. Don't be afraid. Just follow the instruction according to DMAS rule. Firstly, we will do division. Now divide 24 by 8, we will get 3. Then multiply 3 by 9, we will get 27. After that, we will add 22 into 7, we get 49. Lastly, subtract 39 from 49. Now the answer is 10. Now, do you know what does BODMAS rule means? Do you know what BODMAS rule is? We use BODMAS in maths while explaining the order of operations to solve an equation. It is an acronym for brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Thus, we need to follow the given order in order to the sums or equation. Let's start using BODMAS rule to solve these examples. In first example, we have 5 multiplied by 10 in plus 16 in the bracket. According to the BODMAS rule, first solve the bracket. Now 10 is to be added to 16. We will get 26. After that, multiply 5 into 26, we will get 130 as the answer. In second example, we have 25 plus 10 into 3 in the bracket. According to the BODMAS rule, first solve the bracket. In bracket, 10 is multiplied by 3. So the answer we will get 30. Then add 25 plus 30. We will get 55 as answer. In third example, we have 36 divided by 6 multiply 18 minus 8 in the bracket. Again, we follow the rule according to the BODMAS rule. First solve the bracket. In bracket, 8 is subtracted from 18. So, the answer we will get 10. After that, divide 36 by 6. We will get 6. And lastly, multiply 6 into 10. We will get 60 as the answer. My dear students, only attempt the questions written in index. The examples given are only for help purpose and they are not to be done in copy. Only follow the index and do the questions mentioned in index. Finally, my dear students, I hope you understand the concept of today's topic. See you in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Till then, take care of yourself And remember this, the struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. So, best of luck for your future. Allah Hafiz. Take care.